Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to manually restore accidentally closed browser tabs and windows in Google Chrome and Edge. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome launches, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice 3 vertical dots there which represent your main menu. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse cursor over the option labeled History. When you hover over it, a side menu will expand, showing you different history-related features. This is where Chrome stores all your browsing activity, including tabs you may have accidentally closed moments ago. In this expanded side menu, you'll see an option called Recent Tabs near the top. Click on it to view a list of all the tabs you've recently closed. This feature is incredibly useful because it shows you exactly what you had open, organized by time. Simply browse through the list and click on the tab you want to restore. The tab will immediately reopen in your current window, bringing back whatever page you were viewing. Alternatively, there's an even faster method you can use. Instead of navigating through the menu, simply press Ctrl-Shift-T on your keyboard. This keyboard shortcut instantly restores the last tab you closed, which can save you valuable time when you need to recover something quickly. You can even press this shortcut multiple times to restore several tabs in the order they were closed. Now, let's move on to Microsoft Edge. Open your Microsoft Edge browser and look at the top right corner of the window. Just like in Chrome, you'll see 3 horizontal dots. Click on these 3 dots to open the main menu. From the menu that appears, click on History. This will open a panel on the right side of your browser showing your browsing history. In this history panel, you'll see your recent tabs displayed at the top. These are the tabs you've most recently closed, making it easy to find what you accidentally closed just moments ago. Browse through the recent tabs list and click on the specific tab you want to restore. The tab will reopen immediately in your current window, bringing you right back to where you left off. This method gives you full control over which tabs you want to bring back. Just like with Chrome, Edge also supports the Ctrl-Shift-T keyboard shortcut. Simply press Ctrl-Shift-T on your keyboard to restore the last tab you closed. This shortcut works exactly the same way in both browsers, making it easy to remember regardless of which browser you're using. And that's it. You now know how to restore accidentally closed tabs in both Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge, using either the menu method or the quick keyboard shortcut. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.